Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is known as Fiat Freemont in some markets. The same vehicle under two different names. So if you guys have a Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont and your windshield wipers do not work, okay, at all, we're going to show you which fuse to check. There are relays as well. We'll have the videos, check it out guys. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can here. So if I'm even gonna go ahead and start the car, check it out. I'll start it. Turn the wipers on, nothing happens, check it out. So, I'll turn the car off, open the hood now, okay, and we need to go ahead and locate the fuse box under the hood here guys. All the parts and tools including the replacement fuses will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So we'll need to go ahead, open that fuse box. Okay, this is the layout. This is the correct way it should be facing, okay, like that, and it will be corresponding to what we have here. The front windshield wiper fuse guys, okay, is located right there. It's a little bitty 30 fuse, little in size, very hard to find, so that's why we'll share it in the description of the video below. Now, it's hard to remove that thing guys, you can see it doesn't fit, the puller doesn't fit there, so we need to remove the relays, okay, next to it, and pull it up. I'll grab the new one quick. Okay, we can install the relay, grab the new fuse now, install it, and we'll see if that fixes our problem now. Okay, let me check if our wipers will work. Hopefully they do. Because if they don't, we need to check relays, we need to check the windshield wiper motor and all that stuff. Okay, start the car again, turn the wipers, yep, they work with no problem. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.